Beautiful home out here in Las Vegas. This is a great one. I'm gonna walk you through it. Beautiful little neighborhood, beautiful area. Nice little kind of park area out front. They're doing a little construction as far as cleaning up the gate. The HOA, they do good amount of work over here, so that's good. They're putting some money into the area. So as you can see, really nice out the front. Nobody across the street, directly across from you. This is a nice one. Let's go see what's behind the blue door. This is a beautiful home. Address is 5016 Whisper Lake. They've got the Ring doorbell. Let's go see. Look at that entrance. Beautiful. Got a nice family room, front room. They have it decorated very nice. Wrought iron stair railing. We'll go ahead and kind of check it out. We'll go through this way. The dining room. Got a great little butler pantry over here. With a little wet bar. Very nice. Custom cabinets, and we'll kind of go back. Really high ceilings. New fixtures. They've got the new doorknobs, new hinges and whatnot. So we come here to the laundry room. Washer and dryer are included. And then we have the garage. Now the garage, they are moving, so it does have stuff in it. The built-in shelves, cabinets, lots of cabinets. Good sized garage. Does have an alarm. Then we have the stairs there, and then we'll go under the closet. This is a storage closet. Obviously they have coats, nice little coat closet, whatnot. Then we come to the kitchen and family room. Look at that kitchen. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, double ovens, 5-burner stove, built-in microwave, stainless steel refrigerator. That stays. Lots of cabinet space. Lot of cabinet space. Beautifully decorated. And then you have a little breakfast nook area where they have pantry. Then if we go big island, which they had made level, which is really nice. The living room / family room. Great room with a fireplace. Very nice. All right, now we'll go back here to the hallway. There's 2 bedrooms downstairs, which is rare to find. We've got the one. This is a bedroom. We've got the plantation shutters as well. Ceiling fans in the rooms. Closet. Some more storage here. And then the second bedroom downstairs. Again, ceiling fan, plantation shutters. All right. And a phone call going on in the backyard. And then the bathroom downstairs. With the shower. All right, so 2 bedrooms downstairs, rare find. You don't see that very often. This house is 3,106 square feet. Ceiling fan in the family room as well. So 3,106, it is a 5-bedroom with a den / loft. Big, huge one. We're gonna go up the stairs. Carpet is very, recently changed. So we come upstairs to the area. There's a built-in desk. we'll check out the loft first. Obviously a little closet right here, a little linen closet. The nest does come with it. Here is the loft slash den. Huge. Plenty of room for whatever you want to do here. This room is massive. And a nice little balcony out here that you can go take a look at the little park area. Not really a park, but common area out there with nice trees and stuff to look at. Much better than looking at somebody's house right across the street. And again, so this could be a great theater room. Lots of stuff you can do with this. Okay, let's go check out the master bedroom. Very large master. That is a big, massive bed in there, so plenty of room. They have a lot of furniture in here, so your furniture will definitely fit. And off of that, we have the office. There's an office off, some would call it a retreat office with a ceiling fan. And a fireplace. Very cool room. Great retreat. And off of the master bedroom, we've got a deck. Let's go check this out. So we have the deck. Great size deck, which looks down to the backyard, which is awesome. Let's go check out the master bathroom. Newer floors, new fixtures, faucets, sink, and then they just redid the closet as well. Made it really nice. Double rows, storage. Forgot the beautiful tub. And then the shower behind the curtain. So that's the master bathroom. And again, they have a lot of furniture in here. This master bedroom is huge. This is cool. Check this out. A laundry chute. That's awesome. You don't find that in a 2-story house. That's very cool. We've got, again, ceiling fans in every room. We've got one of the kids' rooms. And then the secondary bathroom. Double sinks, a little water closet, and then all the fixtures have been changed. So you have all of matching doorknobs and hinges. Another closet. There's a ton of storage in this house. And then the last bedroom. Again, ceiling fans in every room, closet space, lots of storage. And look at this. Beautiful look down here. This home is amazing. Again, 3,106 square foot gated area on the north side of Las Vegas and close to shopping, close to freeways. This one has got everything that you need. A great size backyard, which we will go take a look at right now. Grass in the backyard, definitely a pool-sized lot. So if you want to put a pool, there's definitely a pool-sized lot. The family is back there right now, so we're going to keep some privacy for them, but we have a built-in barbecue and a covered patio, and then a really nice size yard right there, which is great. Pool size, you can put all kinds of stuff back there. So definitely look this one up. Give us a call. Dominguez-Martin Group, 702-582-9088. If you have any questions, if you want any more information, we would love to answer that. Thank you so much. Have a great day.